Hi guys, welcome to Shrisha's Kitchen, the taste of heaven. As you can see, we are spending our day today at the beautiful beach. The birds are playing and the sun is up, shining brightly as it is summer. And it is the perfect time to make an easy and refreshing kiwi mojito. It has very little ingredients which you can carry and make this drink easily at any place, especially during summer. So let's see how to make it. First, let's prepare our sugar syrup. I've took some sugar and I'm going to pour some water. So by the time we prepare our drink, the sugar will get dissolved in the water. Now in a serving glass, I'm going to put a piece of lemon and some fresh mint leaves. Now I'm going to muddle it. By the term muddling, I mean like I'm going to gently press it so the oil of the lemon and the essence of the mint get mixed together. Next, I'm going to take a kiwi and I'm going to grind it nicely into a puree, which we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of the kiwi puree. So now I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice from half a lemon. Make sure you remove the seeds. Next, we had prepared our sugar syrup in the beginning. So now I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of that syrup. You can adjust it according to your taste. So next, let's give it a mix so that all the ingredients are combined well. Next, I'm going to add some refreshing and sparkling soda. The level of soda should be only 3/4 of the cup because when we add the ice, the level is going to rise. Let's top it up with some ice cubes and that's it. Our kiwi mojito is ready. I'm going to decorate the cup with a slice of lemon and some mint leaves. And that's it. Look at this adorable and beautiful mojito. Oh my god, you all should try this amazing drink. And the soda boosts your energy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and surely give this kiwi mojito a try. Love you guys. Bye bye.